chapter 1, verse 3.
The entirely merciful, the especially merciful.
This verse at the beginning of the Holy Quran also corrects a Muslim's mentality so that they understand that the verses of the Holy Quran that describe the punishment of Allah, the Exalted, such as hell, are actually a source of mercy. This is because they are a warning, which acted upon will cause a person to avoid serious harm and danger in both worlds. This is just like a traffic road sign which warns drivers about certain hazards that they will encounter on the road. Another worldly example to further clarify this point would be of a person sleeping while camping in the wilderness. If another person observes a lion approaching the sleeping person, they will not refrain from shouting and screaming in order to alert the sleeping person to the danger. Out of fear of scaring the sleeping person by their screaming and shouting, neither will the sleeping person become angry at the person who shouts and screams, thereby scaring them half to death in order to warn them of the lion and the life-threatening danger. In fact, the sleeping person will thank the person even though their behavior scared them. They will understand that the warning the person gave them might have been frightening, nonetheless it aided them in the long run, i.e., escaping the lion. This is how the verses describing the punishment of Allah, the Exalted, such as hell, should be treated, which this verse indicates. If Allah, the Exalted, hid his punishment such as hell, from mankind until Judgment Day out of dislike for scaring them, then mankind would undoubtedly complain that they had not been warned beforehand. Chapter 55, verses 43 to 45.
This is hell, which the criminals deny. They will go around between it and scalding water, heated to the utmost degree. So which of the favors of your Lord would you deny?
In addition, this verse also indicates that the coming verses of the Holy Quran, which contain the rules and regulations of Islam, have been decreed as a source of mercy upon mankind and not as a source of punishment or restriction. This indicates that Islam is a religion of ease and not difficulty. In a narration found in Sahih Baqarah, number 39, the Holy Prophet Muhammad, peace and blessings be upon him, advised that religion is simple and straightforward, and a Muslim should not overburden themselves as they will not be able to keep up with it. This means that a Muslim should always lead a simple religious and worldly life. Islam does not demand Muslims to overburden themselves in performing righteous deeds, but it in fact teaches simplicity, which is the most beloved religion to Allah, the Exalted. According to a narration found in Imam Baqarah's Adab al-Mufrad, number 287, a Muslim should firstly strive to fulfill their obligatory duties which are undoubtedly within their strength to fulfill, as Allah, the Exalted, does not burden a Muslim with more than they can bear. This is confirmed in chapter 2, verse 286 of the Holy Quran.
Allah does not charge a soul except with that within its capacity.
Next, they should take some time out of their day to study Islamic teachings so that they can act on the Holy Quran and the established traditions of the Holy Prophet Muhammad, peace and blessings be upon him, according to their strength. This attracts the love of Allah, the Exalted, which has been confirmed in a narration found in Sahih Baqarah, number 6502. If a Muslim persists on this behavior, they will be provided with such mercy that they will fulfill all their duties towards Allah, the Exalted, and people, and find time to enjoy the lawful pleasures of this world without excess, waste or extravagance. This is how a Muslim makes things easier for themselves. And if they possess dependents, such as children, they should teach them the same, thereby making things easier for them also. Overburdening oneself makes things hard and can push one to completely quit, and relaxing too much will make things hard, as one will lose out on the mercy of Allah, the Exalted, in both worlds through laziness.